Welcome back, guys. We've really missed you. We're so excited to see you coming back. It's going to look a little bit different, as you can see. I'm Mrs. Fess.
I'm Miss Beluzma.
And we've just missed you so much, and we're so glad to welcome you to a brand new 2021 school year.
Can't wait to see you.
And you're going to get to meet our new principal, Dr. Nigro, and she's going to take you around the school, show you a couple little changes on what we're going to do when we see you on August 24th.
Yay, I can't wait.
Hi there, Weatherbee Mariners. I'm Dr. Nigro, your proud principal here at Weatherbee. We're so excited to have you back this school year. Things are going to look a little bit differently, but I'm going to walk you through that today. We cannot wait for you to start school on August 24th. We miss you and welcome back. This is Weatherbee's cafeteria. As you can see, it looks a little bit different than it did in past years. All of our tables are going to be facing front, so when students enter the cafeteria, they will be able to enter the food line. Our food is pre-packaged now for ease of grab and go. Students will go through the line and take their lunch to their assigned table. Each of our tables are spread apart so that we can socially distance and enjoy our lunch. Students will sit 3 to a table with about 3 feet in between them facing the front of the cafeteria. You will wear your mask when you come into the cafeteria and go through the line since you'll be closer together. We're going to try to keep ourselves apart. You will come out of the line and sit at the table. You may take your mask off to eat, enjoy your lunch, and at the end of lunch you'll put your mask on and be dismissed to your teacher. When traveling to your classroom or traveling to your resource class, you will be in line wearing your mask, and you will remember our familiar tan floor where you will be walking with your class single, straight, and silent, masks on, and some distance in between you and the student in front of you and the student behind you. Resource classes will be in their regular classrooms, so while traveling on campus in the main hallways, we will be traveling normally as we have lots of space to social distance. So as we're walking to our classroom, you will notice that we have some one-way hallways. So we will be keeping hallways that are smaller one way so that classes are not passing one another. It'll make it easier and safer for you to travel on campus, and we will have one way down a hallway and out the other. Students will have masks on and will be able to continue our regular routine of resource classes, traveling to lunch, and arriving and dismissing from campus. We are currently in a kindergarten classroom. I'm going to walk you through each of the grade levels so you can see how things look a little bit different. Students are going to be set apart at their desks, and everybody is facing forward, facing the front of the room so that everybody is in one-way direction and apart from one another as best as possible, even when we're at a small group table and working with our teacher. Please note that students will have masks on while in the classroom until the teacher tells them they can take it off because they are socially distanced between one student and another. We also have wipes and hand sanitizer in every single classroom, and we will be continuously wiping down throughout the day so that everybody can stay healthy and safe. We are now visiting a first grade classroom for our first grade friends who will be joining us this school year. As you can see, the desks are spread apart. Students will have their desk facing forward or away from other students. We will be wearing masks within the classroom, and we have hand sanitizer and wipes to be used throughout the day. Welcome back, second grade. Here we are in one of your fabulous classrooms where we're getting ready to have you join us back on August 24th. Desks are ready to go safely and keeping everybody healthy. We'll have hand sanitizer and wipes in class, and we'll be good to go. Welcome back, third graders. Here we are in one of your classrooms. Again, you can see the desks are ready for you to come back and learn in a safe environment. Don't forget your mask and your hand sanitizer. Welcome to a fourth grade classroom. As you can see, the desks are spread apart to allow for students to be apart from one another. We'll be wearing masks throughout the day, and we have hand sanitizer and wipes so we can keep everything wiped down and everybody safe. Welcome to a fifth grade classroom. As you can see again, we have all of our desks spaced for you. We're ready for you to come and work. We can't wait to have our fifth graders on campus. It's your last year and your year to shine. Students, when you are arriving on campus in the morning, please remember a few items. You need to take your temperature before you come to school to ensure that you're feeling your best and that you'll be optimally working on campus and keeping everybody healthy and safe. When you leave your home in the morning, please remember to bring 2 masks to school, one that you can wear throughout the day and another one that you can use if something were to happen to the first one. You also need to bring a water bottle with you to school, as our water stations will not be available to drink from, but you can fill your water bottle up to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. We also suggest that students bring hand sanitizer with them to school so they can have it on them or in their backpack to use throughout the day. When you arrive on campus, breakfast is going to look a little bit differently. If you do not have a mask when you arrive, a disposable mask will be provided to you. You will come either off the bus or from your car, and you will pick up your breakfast from a station right by your grade level, and you will report to your classroom. Our school hours, the doors open at 8:15 in the morning and classes start at 8:45. So between the time of 8:30 to 8:45, students will be admitted to their classroom, eat their breakfast, which is a grab-and-go easy breakfast for every single student. Remember, breakfast and lunch are free. You will eat your breakfast from 8:30 to 8:45 and then begin your day. Kindergarten students, when you arrive on campus in the morning, you are going to report to the cafeteria and sit by class. You will be served breakfast in the cafeteria, and your teacher will meet you there so that you are sure to make your way to your classroom and learn the rules and procedures here at Weatherbee Elementary School. Students, you will still have recess throughout the day. Here we are in our fabulous playground. We will make sure that everybody is safe and socially distanced during our recess time, but it's important that students have an opportunity to get outside and let some of that energy out. So now we have shown you how things are going to look a little bit different, but just as fun as always here at Weatherbee Elementary School. We've made it to the end of the school day, so when we're talking about dismissal on your first day of school and throughout the school year, we are going to have students walk quickly and quietly with their masks on to their intended location for dismissal. Buses will be called one by one, and parent pickup will be brought out by an assigned teacher. We'll have students wearing masks and keep them apart, and we will get dismissal done as quickly and easily and as safely as possible. We are so excited to have our Mariners back on campus this school year. We're excited to try something new, and together we're going to make this year great. Not all of our students will be joining us on campus live this year. Many of our students are going to be at home learning virtually through our My School program. Students that are in this program will receive their laptop and curriculum materials and will be notified by their teacher of all of the expectations for this school year. Together, we will be learning just as if you were on campus, and we will love seeing you through our virtual classroom.